Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this guide link. As we have the isometric drawing of this guide link, and you can see that I have already made this model, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. So now I will close this file and I create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. And here I will insert my body, and I will press the origin and off on my plane, and now I will select this top plane and create my base sketch. So I will select the top plane and click on the sketch, and now I will off the origin plane. Now I will select the polyline tool and I will create this profile. And now I will add the relation, like this one will be the vertical, this one will be the vertical, and now I will give the dimension. So this one is a 44.5, and this is the 10 thickness, 10, and this one total length is a 60, and this one is also 10, so give the vertical 10 mm. Now I will move my dimensions so that you can clearly see it. So our sketch is fully constrained, so this is the 44.5 by 60. You can check the drawing and cross check these dimensions. Now I will close it, and total height is 85. So I will select the sketch, click on the pad, and from here I click on the reverse, and here I will give my height 85. So this is the base profile which we have created. Now we will switch to the isometric. We will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will project these two geometry. So click on the project geometry, select this and this, and create a rectangle, and give the dimension. So from here to here is a 30. So I will select these 2 points and give the 30 mm, and from the top it is also 30. Now I will close it, and I will click on the pocket tool, and from here I will select the true all and say OK. Now I will select this face and create this cut. So click on the sketch, project the geometry, so click on the project geometry. Now switch to the isometric and create a rectangle, and this is the 31.5. so select the horizontal dimension and give 31.5, and from the top it is 55. so I will switch to the right view select this and give the 55. You can cross check the dimension center to center, and this radius it comes 55, and this cut, if you add and subtract dimension, you will get the 31.5. click on the close, click on the pocket, and from here say through all, say OK. So this is the rough shape which we have created. Now our next step is we will add the fillet. So we can say that it is a dia 30, so we will give the fillet to these two edges. So here we will cross check this dimension. We will project this one, and we will delete this, and we will add the vertical relation. So this dimension will be, if we cross check it, so it is a 34.5. Now click on close. Now switch to the isometric, and from here we will go to the refine, and shape is true. Now we will select these two edges and create a fillet of 14.99, because if we take the 15 it will not take. So click on OK. Now we will move to the next step. We will provide the fillet to these two edges, which is a 12.5. so we will select this edge and this edge and click on the fillet, give the 12.5, and now we will also provide here one fillet of 5 mm. So select the radius and click on the fillet, give the 5 mm, click on OK. Now we will also provide the fillet of a 15 mm. So we will select these two edges, click on the fillet and give here 14.99 and click on OK. Now we will create this pad. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, and we will project this outer geometry. We will select and project it, and now we will create a circle, and this is the pad of a 3 mm. So we will close it and click on the pad and give the 3 mm, click on OK. Now we will click on the pad and refine. We will set it true. Now we will create this pad. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will project these two edges. So click on the project this one and this one. Now we will use the slot tool and create a slot. And now we will select this and make it equal, and this is the pad of 3 mm. So we will close it, click on the pad and give here the 3 mm, click on OK. We will also select our features and refine. I will set it true. Now we will create one fillet here which is of a 3 mm, because fillet and round are the of R3 where it is not specified. So I will select this edge and click on the fillet and give the 3 mm, click on OK. Now we will create these two holes on this pad. So we will select the face and click on the sketch. We will project these two edges, click on the project geometry, project this and this, and this is the 10.5 drill, two holes, means this and this is of the 10.5. So I will select these two and make it equal and give the dimension of a diameter 10.5. click on close, click on the cut, or we can use the hole tool as well. Click on through all, say OK. Now we will create this hole of a 17.5. so we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry and click on the circle and give it a 17.5. click on the close, click on the cut, say through all, say OK. Now here is a one more hole of 11.5. so we will select this face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry and project this edge, click on the circle and give it a 11.5. now click on the close and click on the cut tool. You can also use the whole option and click on the through all. So now you can see that we have successfully created this guide link in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. You can provide the fillet of R3 where it is required, which we can see here. So this is all about this tutorial, how to model this guide link in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.